As everyone knows, paper already been cleared or burned, and 80% of what's left has been seriously